Building websites does not need to take weeks, require a developer, or involve learning how to code. Hey everyone, my name is Ryan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website fast using Wix Harmony, Wix's flagship AI website builder. You can describe the website you want and let Wix Harmony generate the first version. Then you can customize everything using natural language prompts or the drag and drop functionality. There is no coding required, and you don't need any previous web design experience. We'll go through the entire process from generating your website from a single prompt and customizing the design. Then we'll add the business pages, connect a custom domain, and publish your website. So whether you want to create a website for a business, personal brand, portfolio, or a new idea, this process will help you build a website fast without feeling overwhelmed. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we create a website, let's quickly look at why Wix Harmony can make this process so much faster. Wix is a website creation platform built for small businesses and individuals who want to build, manage, and grow their entire online presence. Wix Harmony is its flagship AI website builder. You can describe the website you want in plain language, and AI generates a complete business-ready site, including layout, pages, written content, images, and colors from a single prompt. Instead of starting from an empty page or trying to figure out every layout yourself, you can explain what you want in normal language. Wix Harmony will then create a business-ready website based on your description. You can then customize your website through a combination of AI or precise manual design controls. You can describe the results you want through a prompt, but you still have the use of drag and drop when you want more control. This gives you the speed of AI website builder without locking you into a design you can't change. Wix also includes tools for you to operate your website, including web hosting, marketing tools, analytics, and other business solutions. This means you don't need to find a separate hosting company or connect several unrelated platforms to launch a website. You can begin by creating a free website and upgrade when you're ready to connect a custom domain or unlock additional business features. For a beginner or small business owner, this makes Wix Harmony a strong website builder for small business projects where speed and simplicity matter. Let's create a website. After signing in to Wix, start a new website and select the option to build with Wix Harmony. The exact setup screens may change slightly over time, but Wix will always begin by asking you what kind of website you want. This is where you're going to give the AI some information about your business, brand, or project. The quality of the first version depends heavily on the information you include in your prompt. Instead of entering something vague like create a landscaping website, give Wix Harmony more context. For example, create a professional website for Greenline Lawn Care, a residential lawn care company serving homeowners in Austin, Texas. This prompt clearly explains what the business does, who the target customer is, and where the business operates. The more useful context you provide, the closer AI-generated site should be to what you want. Wix Harmony is then going to ask you a few more questions about your business and website, and then it'll start creating the back end of your website and send you to the dashboard. Then in the top right, you'll have the option to design site. Here you'll be able to choose a template or use AI to generate a custom design for you. You can use a prompt like create a professional website for Greenline Lawn Care, a residential lawn care company serving homeowners in Austin, Texas. Include a welcoming homepage, services, service descriptions, customer testimonials, a project gallery, an about page, frequently asked questions, and a contact form. Use a clean, modern design with natural green colors and a strong call to action encouraging visitors to request a free estimate. This gives the AI all the information for your design preferences, and once complete, we will be able to see the first draft of our new website. And in just a couple minutes, it has generated an entire website with AI, and everything is looking really, really good. But Wix also includes Aria, which is its built-in AI agent. You can use Aria to help with tasks across your website building process. For example, you may ask for it to adjust content, generate ideas, improve parts of your website, or help complete specific tasks. Think of Aria as your assistant inside of the Wix ecosystem that can help you move through your process even faster. And you don't have to use AI to create the entire website. Wix also offers over 2,000 professionally made website templates across different industries and niches. You can select a template that already matches your business, replace the example content, and change the design and publish. To access them, all you have to do is press this little see all button right here, and you can easily filter things by the type of website or the industry that you're looking for, or you can just simply search and find an option that fits your brand. Now keep in mind that you don't technically need to find a template that is exactly your niche or industry. You can actually just choose a template that has a lot of the sections and layout that you like, and then change the content later. Templates are super helpful when you find a layout that's already close to what you want. So whether you want to generate a custom website from scratch or choose a pre-built template, Wix Harmony helps you start with a strong foundation instead of building every element from nothing. But for today's video, we're going to stick with the AI generated one because I think it actually looks really nice. But let's take a few minutes to review the overall results before changing individual details. Let's look at the order of the sections, the clarity of the main heading, the colors and fonts, the imagery, the navigation menu, the call to actions, and the mobile version. Your first goal is not to make every detail perfect. Your first goal is to confirm that the website has the correct structure. And with Wix Harmony, you can continue to use natural language to modify the design. For example, we can grab this call to action, get an estimate section, and ask it to give it a background image. This is the vibe coding side of Wix Harmony. You can describe the visual result you want instead of manually configuring every setting. Wix is also a drag and drop website builder. So when you need more control, you can select elements directly on the page and customize them. For example, maybe I don't like how this text looks here, so we can grab this text element and we can maybe bump up the size a little bit and make it look just like that. And I think that looks a little bit cleaner. You can also double click to change the text completely. For image elements, you can click on the image, press replace image, and you can go through your entire website and change out the content very quickly. You can also move elements around on the editor. So maybe I like this image, but maybe I think it might be a little bit too big. We can always just resize it and maybe move it around until we like where it is placed. This combination makes the process much faster. Use AI for the broad changes and ideas, then use the editor when you want precise control. But let's say we want to change out the fonts and colors of our website. To do that, what we're going to do is head on over to our brand at the top. You can see color and text. If we click on color here, we can actually completely change the palette to some pre-designed ones here. Like maybe this one would look cool. I think I'm going to go back to the current palette because I like that better. But you can, of course, choose a palette that you like the most, or you can just simply edit them individually here. Same thing with text. Here we can change a different set that we want to use, or we can actually just go through and change the headings to any font that we want, and then we can change the paragraphs here as well. And if you want to upload your font, you have that option as well. Now for colors, try to limit your website to a simple, consistent color palette. A beginner-friendly palette might include one primary brand color, one secondary or accent color, a light background color, and a dark color for text. Do not use different colors for every section. Consistency will usually make a simple website design feel more professional. For fonts, the same principle applies. Choose one font for headings and one easy-to-read font for paragraphs. You can also use one font family across your entire site with different weights, so your headings could be more bold, while the paragraph fonts could be regular sized. Avoid using 4 or 5 unrelated fonts. This usually makes websites look less consistent and takes longer to manage. But once you've gone through your website and you've changed the design, you've changed the content, now it is time to also check mobile. So in the top right, you can see a desktop and a mobile icon here. So if we switch over to the mobile, we'll be able to see what our website looks like on mobile. And just like we did on desktop, you can go through and just quickly tweak the design as needed. For example, these buttons here could probably be a little bit longer, so that way that the text doesn't wrap. And now I think everything is looking pretty good. But mobile is important because a large percentage of your visitors may be visiting your website on a phone, so you need a mobile-friendly website. Check that headings do not take up the entire screen, paragraphs are readable, buttons are easy to tap, images are not awkwardly cropped, sections are not excessively tall, elements appear in the correct order. Wix Harmony websites are designed to support responsive experiences, but you should still review the mobile layout before publishing. The next step is to make sure your website includes pages and sections visitors need. Don't just add pages just because other websites have them. Each page should help the visitor understand the business, build trust, or take action. For a basic small business website, you typically need a home, about, services, and contact. And depending on your business, you may also need like a portfolio or gallery, testimonials, frequently asked questions, blogs, bookings, online store, or locations. For your homepage, it should quickly answer these 5 questions. What does your business offer? Who is it for? Why should the visitors trust it? What makes it different? And what should visitors do next? A simple homepage structure could include a hero section, which includes a clear headline, a supporting paragraph, and a primary call to action. Avoid using vague headlines such as "Welcome to our website." Instead, communicate the main result you provide. In our case, maybe we want to change this text to say "Reliable lawn care for a healthier, better looking yard." Now, obviously, this made this text really long, so we can lower the size of this to maybe be like 48. And then for this website, we might also want to have a trust section like reviews, statistics, certificates, recognizable clients, or another form of social proof. The AI did not actually generate one for us here. It generated some testimonials, but I don't typically want that to be the second section. So instead, what we can do is maybe add a section. Let's generate with AI. And what we're going to do is ask Aria to create a section to build trust that includes statistics. And in just a minute, it has added a new section with some really cool statistics here, which should help us build some trust. The next section we need is a good services section, which lists out all of our different services, and it looks really nice here. I would probably change out the images here, but I really do like the layout. Then we might want to have an about section, which we could use the gallery section here as our about section, so we can have a little bit about the company. We can grab this button and maybe we can duplicate it, bring this one down here. And for this button, we are going to edit the text to say about Greenline. We can link this to the About Us page. And now we have a mixed use section, which has a little bit about the company and a really nice gallery of some of our work. We have testimonials and we have a nice call to action. Call to actions are a great way to end the page with one clear next step. Don't give visitors 5 competing buttons. Just choose the most important actions, such as request a quote, book an appointment, shop now, join our newsletter, schedule a consultation. But once you've gone through your entire website and you reviewed all of the content on all of your different pages and you've checked the mobile version, the next step is to connect your custom domain. To do that, what we're going to do is come over here and press connect domain. And what you're going to want to do is type in your custom domain that you want here. If you already have a custom domain, you can put it in here and it'll walk you through the steps to connect it. However, if you don't already have one, you can put what you prefer here. And if you get a year of premium, you actually get your domain for free for your first year. So try to choose a domain name that is short, easy to spell, easy to pronounce, closely connected to your business name, and free from unnecessary numbers or hyphens. If your exact business name is unavailable, you could add relevant services or locations. For example, if Greenline Lawn Care was taken, this website could do something like greenlinelawns.greenlineaustin.com, getgreenline.com, whatever the case may be, you can choose which one best matches your brand. And the best part is you don't need to use a separate domain registrar unless you prefer to. Search for your desired domain name, review the available options, and select one that best matches your brand. Each Wix premium plan includes a free domain for your first year. So once the domain is connected, Wix handles the technical connection between the domains and your website. Your web hosting is already managed through Wix, so you don't need to purchase a separate hosting package and manually upload the website to a server. But once your domain is connected, the next part is to choose your premium plan. Now, any plan will really work for most businesses, but if you plan to have a website where users can check out or purchase something on your website, like paid services or products, then you're going to need to make sure that the plan you choose has the accept payments feature. This allows people to actually check out on your website. But once you've connected your domain, you're one step closer to launching. But before you can do that, we need to complete one final review. You want to make sure you go through your entire website and check every single button and make sure it is linked to the correct page. You want to test any forms that you may have and confirm that the submission appears in the correct place and any automated confirmation message works properly. Check every single page on the mobile editor. Pay particular attention to spacing, font sizes, buttons, and images. You're going to want to proofread your content. Look for spelling mistakes, placeholder text, duplicated paragraphs, or AI-generated content that does not accurately describe your business. Then you want to add basic SEO information. Here in the editor, what you can do is come over to the top, select your business name, and right here you'll notice SEO. So if we go ahead and click on this, here it's going to give you a list of tasks to complete, so that way your website will rank on Google and other search engines. You also want to make sure that any contact details on your footer or contact page are all updated. Then at the top, you can preview the website, navigate from the homepage to the other pages, and complete the primary action you want the customers to take. If everything works, then you're ready to publish. Click the publish button in the top right, and then click publish again. This is going to give you a live link so you can actually view your website live. Of course, you can always continue to update your website after you publish, so you don't have to allow small details to prevent you from launching. A website is not a permanent finished object. You can improve the content, add pages, upload projects, publish blogs, and refine the design as the business grows. Launching a clear and functional website today is usually more valuable than spending several months trying to create the perfect one. And that is how you create a website fast. You start by describing your business in a detailed prompt, allow the AI website builder to generate your initial website, and then customize the results inside of Wix Harmony using vibe coding or drag and drop. From there, add the pages and business sections your visitors need, review the mobile design, connect your domain through Wix domains, and publish the website. You don't need to know how to code, arrange web hosting, or build a website from scratch. Wix Harmony gives you a much faster starting point while still giving you control over the final website design. You can start with a free website, learn the platform, and upgrade when you're ready to connect a custom domain and launch a professional online presence. If this video has helped you create a website fast, give this video a like and subscribe for more Wix and website building tutorials. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.